Hi, welcome to this session on account master creation in Logic ERP. In this training, we will cover complete process on creating account master, understanding chart of account structure, and properly assigning balance sheet group. A strong accounting structure is the backbone of any ERP system. If your chart of account is not properly designed, your report, balance sheet, and financial statement will never be accurate. So in this session, we will go step by step and understand how to correctly create and structure accounts inside Logic ERP system. Let's begin. Very first, here I will go on master creation. You can see here in accounting master, we have multiple options. Set up country, set up state, set up cities. These masters are more of related to account and supplier master. I would like to very first explain you about the grouping. So set up account group. In Logic ERP, 8 level grouping is available where you can categorize your accounting ledgers or expenses or whatever you can say. For example, if I want to change any of the grouping, how it can be done. Here it is in my backend panel where I have an authority to do the changes. I will navigate over there. Example, I want to rename this group. I can rename as needed. Simple. If I want to add any of the group, so here I will click on this group. I will click refresh. Then same way, if you remember, we have done our account master, item master grouping. Same way, I will add my group. What is the group type? I will allocate that group. I will press enter and complete the line. I said save. So this way, very first, we can create a group. 8 level of grouping is available, which will get assigned when I will create item master. I will show you that in further step. Next important part is my balance sheet group. So you can easily define the balance sheet grouping. Here are some of the examples which I would like to highlight. Here it is. So my liabilities, my assets. So I have created my balance sheet group. What is the parent of that balance sheet group and what is the group type? This is what exactly get created. I will show you one live entry how it can get created. Now, for example, I want to create a group of prepaid. What is my parent group? My group type is asset. What is my parent group? And what is my group type? Here I will say save. So under assets, my prepaid expense or prepaid kind of a group get created. If I click on refresh, I will get my prepaid. It's under primary group. My group type is asset. This impact will take place exactly when I will create an accounting ledger. I will highlight over there. Next, one of the most important part in masters is my chart of account. So you can design the chart of account as needed. For example, my current assets, my capital, assets, expenses, liabilities. Under current asset, there is a bank account. Under bank account, there is my accounting ledgers. For example, I want to create one of the group under current asset. Here it is. Here I will go under current asset. I want to create one group. So I will right click over here and I will say make a new subgroup. I will say prepaid expense. Now when I will create my accounting ledger, either I can allocate at that time or from here itself by right clicking, I can allocate my ledgers. I can rename the group. I can make new subgroup under it. I can delete the group. Now let us create one accounting ledger and show you how the allocation can be done. So here, to create any accounting ledgers like customer master, supplier master, expense and everything. So there are multiple accounting ledgers. Very first, I am showing a creation of expense ledger. Then I will show you one customer or supplier master. Then I will also give you the brief of any GST account, liabilities, sales account and all. For example, prepaid rent. I will type the ledger name. How do you want? You want system to generate the code, or if you want, you can give the manual input also. Whenever I make any expense entry, what should come in? Printout. What is my account type? I said my account type is expense or prepaid. So you can see here my expense got added. If I want to add my balance sheet group manually, I can do that. For example, you say the balance sheet group should get automatically set. Even that can be done by pressing F3 from this account creation screen. I press F3, I got a pop-up where I can highlight my expense ledger if I am creating what should be the impact of it. For example, instead of expense, I said this is my current asset. So as I click on current asset, if the balance sheet group is already assigned, it will come automatically. What is my sales type? What is my input output? GST. If I click on other detail, expense related other detail can be set over here. I said save. To save, here I have my button. I can click on save and save my ledger. So this way my accounting ledger get created. Prepaid, rent, year. So you can see system has automatically given a code to it. What is my print name? What is my accounting ledger? In which account group it will come around. Now let us see one ledger creation of customer or supplier. So if I want to create a new account from this screen itself, I can click on new account. First account name. I said example XYZ Private Limited. Same XYZ Private Limited. What is my account type? My account type is customer. So I will type and I will select my account type is customer. What is my customer group? Customer type. If I want, I can select that also. For example, I am dealing into export and this customer is more of export business. What is my balance sheet group? I said sales. Now in Logic ERP there is one more option. For example, I'm along with sale, I purchase also from this particular ledger itself. So here we have an option of show in supplier list. So there is no need of creating two separate ledger. From single ledger itself, we can maintain both the books of account. Here we have an option of other grouping. I can press spacebar and get the list. This is export sales, which district, which depot. Now this is the grouping. Whatever you have done, you can select it from the drop down. After this, some more important details are there. I click on other detail. Address can be set. Example address, whatever you want. I said country India, Maharashtra. City if you want. I said city. Whatever address you want to type. Aadhaar. We can also keep any of the field mandate. Admin can keep that. MSME. Important part is GST. So as I input any GST detail over here, Logic ERP has an option to verify that GST detail. So as I click on view GST number detail online, I will get the detail of it. Now what all detail will be provided over here? As I click on retrieve GST, system will bring all the GST detail from that portal and bring in front of us. Here it is. If I input the GST number and say retrieve GST, GST number, legal name, registration, company, what is the trade company, business type, taxpayer, GST, center jurisdiction, plot, all the detail will be provided. I can copy also from the detail from there. I can get the return detail also of that particular customer. More, if this is customer, what is my credit limit? From same screen, I can create my supplier ledger also. If it is supplier, what is the payment term? If it is a supplier, I can link the TDS also. We will have a separate session on TDS working. I said before saving, it is mandated to allocate the sales nature, and I said save my ledger. This is the example of creation of expense ledger or a customer supplier master. I would like to give you a preview of some GST ledgers. Example 1, input GST. So here it is. What is my GST ledger name? My group. Here I will allocate what is the default percentage. This is input or output ledger. What is the GST type? GST ITC eligibility. I will show you one output. You can see now I'm not I don't remember the ledger name, but I know in my ledger output word is there. So I'm using percentage to found my ledger. So this is output ledger, GST liabilities. I will show you one sales. Example, what is the sales management fees, sales account, what is the default tax percentage of it. Here, from here itself, I can have a look on all my ledgers. For example, a bank ledger. So bank ledger will have respective other detail connected to bank. You can see now I'm not getting any GST address number, Aadhaar, PAN and all. What are the related detail required for bank? That is coming. You can fill that and save the ledger. So this was complete training on account master creation, chart of account structure and balance sheet grouping in Logic ERP. I hope this session helped you clearly understand how to properly create and organize account master inside the system. Remember, correct account grouping directly impact your financial report and overall business accuracy. Practice this inside your system to build a strong accounting foundation. In next session, we will continue with more advanced accounting and inventory module in Logic ERP. If you found this training useful, subscribe to the channel and stay connected for structured Logic ERP training. Thank you for watching.